Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the components of the food. Whenever we talk about the components of the food, the main components are all the nutrients, roughage and water. And nutrients are carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals. So all are the examples of the nutrients. So today we are going to perform the test related to starch, and starch is the example of carbohydrate. As we know that carbohydrate is the main component of the food, and it also called as the energy giving food. And carbohydrates may be present into two forms: simpler form, which is called as the sugar, and complex form is called as the starch. So first we are doing the test of the starch. For that we can use potato, we can use boiled rice, we can use pulses as well as wheat. So all these are the examples of, as we know, these are the examples of the starch. So I am just taking one potato, and for that I am using, first take a test tube. On that, small pieces of, or we can crush the potato, or we can boil and crush the potato and that particular thing. And in this process, first we have to use one solution. That solution is called as the iodine solution. So if there is a presence of starch in any food component and we add the iodine solution, that in the presence of iodine solution I am using that potato pieces, then if I will use this iodine solution, what will happen? After putting it inside the potato, the color of that particular potato will be turned into blue black. So you can see that color is changing into blue black color. So it shows that potato have starch in it. And it is the experiment to perform to test whether in potato and any food component there is the presence of starch or not. Then there is another test which is related to test of protein. So how can we do that? For the testing of the protein, as we know that proteins are also called as the bodybuilding food material, and these are useful for the growth and repair of the body parts. And it can be present in milk, it can be present in eggs, soya beans. So all these are the main sources of the protein. So just we are doing one experiment with the milk, that whether there is the presence of protein or not. So first we take milk, then add copper sulfate. Okay, this is copper sulfate and this is the solution of the copper sulfate. So some drops of the copper sulfate, we are adding some drops of the copper sulfate, and then finally we use 10 drops of caustic soda. Whenever we use caustic soda, the color will be changed into purple, or we can say violet color. So you can see the color is changing, and color is changing into violet color. So it shows that in milk there is the presence of protein also. So these are some experiments which is related to starch and protein. Thank you.